Hi, my name is Paige, and today I'll be taking you through a tutorial on how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in OneNote. For these tutorials, we'll be using the free version of Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, which can be found inside your application. Messy notes. The free Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in OneNote helps you turn chaos into clarity. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to summarize notes, create study guides, and organize everything with tags and categories, all using Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. First, let's clean up our notes. Go to the Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat icon in the sidebar. Then, highlight your notes, copy them, and paste them into the Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, and give it the instruction. In this case, the instruction will be summarize these notes into key points and reading tasks before hitting send. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will give you a neat summary and a task list. All we need to do is copy and paste them into our notebook or into our planner. We can also organize these notes further. And in this case, we're going to say, organize these notes into sections with headings before hitting send. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will suggest a layout, allowing us to apply it manually to keep these things tidy. Now we're going to change our notes into something practical, and we're going to ask our Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat to create a study guide from these notes with key points and definitions. Once again, Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will generate all the things we need. If we're happy with it, all we need to do is copy it and paste it into our OneNote. Now we have all these notes, but I need to read the literature. So I'm going to ask Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat to convert these notes into a reading plan with tasks and deadlines. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will give me a clear roadmap, and all I need to do is copy and paste it into my OneNote or put it into my to-dos. Lastly, I want to make my notes searchable, so I'm going to ask Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat to suggest categories for these notes, and I'm going to hit send. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat might suggest things like plot, characters, or themes. And all I need to do is create a new page and copy it, paste it, and add the notes. With Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, OneNote becomes my personal organizer, summarizing, planning, and tagging my notes so I can focus on what really matters. I hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial about how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in OneNote.